Hi everyone, I'm Metis, and it's a pleasure to discuss the vision that forms the digital revolution of ICE Network today. The vision behind ICE Network. At ICE Network, we identified two substantial issues that the digital world is struggling with currently. So first, the technology barrier for average users is steep, making it complicated to access and adopt Web3 products. And now second, despite developers innovating and creating exciting Web3 applications, they often struggle to capture the attention of a broad user base due to various reasons. Our vision evolved as a response to these issues. We envisioned an application that seamlessly connects millions of users from the outset, where Web 2 and Web 3 coexist. And this is where ICE Network shines. We simplify the way users interact with Web 3, creating an accessible, intuitive user experience, while also allowing developers to showcase their innovative products to a global audience. Now, our mission is unambiguous. We aim to be the global link bridging the gap between users and the intricate world of Web 2 and Web 3. That is, in essence, the vision and mission behind ICE Network. So stay tuned as we delve deeper into how we're turning this vision into reality in the coming sections. Why are we building the ICE Network? So why are we building ICE Network? It's simple, really. We believe in the transformative power of connections. Just imagine millions of people worldwide on one platform accessing multiple services linked to one universal currency, the ICE coin. So we're not just creating a product, we're creating a global digital revolution, shaping an interconnected economy that is inherently tied to the success of our services. It's important to note that our approach here is distinct from the conventional corporate narrative. So typically, corporations exploit, let's say, the advantages of their user base with minimal reciprocity. However, at ICE Network, we are flipping this paradigm. Our services are built to serve and reward our users, building a mutually beneficial relationship. Furthermore, we recognize the untapped potential of Web3. Despite its groundbreaking promise, adoption has kind of been slow. So, through ICE Network, we aim to provide mass access to Web3, bringing about the digital revolution that is long overdue for internet users across the globe. So in essence, we are building ICE Network not just as a product, but as a catalyst for global digital transformation. ICE versus Bitcoin. Now let's address a comparison that has been in the minds of many. ICE Network versus Bitcoin, or simply ICE versus Bitcoin. At first glance, these might seem two different concepts, right? But the fundamental economics are quite similar. So let's explore how. We start with Bitcoin, a revolutionary technology introduced in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto. Its fundamental principle was that miners would keep the network alive and process transactions in return for rewards. Any price appreciation of Bitcoin was largely driven by the network effect, essentially the increasing number of users needing Bitcoin to settle trades or transactions. The more users, the more transactions, leading to a rise in Bitcoin demand. In a similar way, ICE Network distributes its coins to active participants within our application, acting as miners in their own right. However, we operate in a more sustainable model. It's 2023 and we're conscious about our energy footprint, so we don't require high power consumption machines like Bitcoin. Now, just like Bitcoin, our coin distribution is higher initially and decreases as our network grows. But as more users join and engage with ICE Network's products and services, it generates demand for the ICE coin. So, in essence, both ICE coin and Bitcoin function based on the number of users in the network. However, a key point of difference is that ICE Network is growing at a much faster pace than Bitcoin ever did. Why? Because we make things easy. Unlike Bitcoin, where you need technical know-how, purchase costly mining machines, manage electricity costs, and so on, mining ICE simply requires a tap on your phone. And this ease of use is what makes us stand apart and also the reason why we're witnessing such phenomenal growth. Understanding the power of the network effect and why it matters. One of the core principles guiding the growth of ICE Network is the power of the network effect. So let's delve into what it means and why it's so important to us. In economics, a network effect, also known as network externality or demand-side economies of scale, is a phenomenon where the value or utility a user gets from a product or service increases as more users join the network. Simply put, the more people use a product, the better it gets for everyone. The adoption of a product by additional users not only enhances the product's value to existing users, but it also increases its attractiveness to non-users. So this is where the power of ICE Network really comes into play. The strength of our network lies in the growing number of users who engage with our products and services, and in the ways these users interact within our application. This is why your role is crucial. By inviting your friends, your family, and spreading the word about ICE Network, you become a vital part of our growth. So you are the, let's say, global voice of ICE Network, right? The more we grow, the better we can realize our vision and make a meaningful impact. So remember, your participation and your voice have the power to fuel the next digital revolution. Why ICE Network is not a scam, pyramid scheme, or an MLM. We fully understand that new concepts can raise questions, and we are always here to provide clarity. And one such question that usually comes to mind is ICE Network a scam, a pyramid scheme, or a multi-level marketing setup? Let's dispel these concerns right away. Firstly, ICE Network is an open source project. Our development code is free to use, view, and verify on our GitHub page. So this transparency ensures that anyone can confirm that we do not sell user data, display ads, or engage in any practices to profit off our user base. We don't offer any investment opportunities, and we don't sell coins. The coins are free to mine for everyone who joins and enters our application. In contrast, pyramid schemes and MLMs work differently. Pyramid schemes require later investors to generate profit for the earlier ones, with the necessity of recruiting more people at every level to get returns. Now, MLMs operate on the principle of members benefiting from selling products and recruiting new members, with the benefits flowing upward from multiple levels below. Now, ICE Network is different. Each member has a team comprising their preferred and anyone they personally refer. You receive bonus ICE coins when you and your team members are mining. So we designed this model to amplify the network effect and to reward users who help their network grow. So, as you can see, the ICE Network operates on the principles of transparency, inclusivity, and reciprocal growth, quite unlike pyramid schemes or MLMs. Why does an ICE Network have a white paper? We often get the question, why does an ICE Network have a white paper? And to answer this, we first need to understand why white papers are typically used in the Web3 industry. In the world of Web3, a white paper has become somewhat of a must-have, and this stems from the fact that much of the work in this space is conceptual. A white paper serves as a comprehensive report detailing a project's technology, methodology, and roadmap. But ICE Network is not merely a concept. Our work is live and functional. Instead of a white paper, we have developed a comprehensive knowledge base available on our website. And this approach aligns more closely with standard practices in the tech industry, where companies typically offer extensive knowledge bases instead of white papers. However, we are currently developing the future backbone of ICE Network, which is the ICE blockchain. This is a highly experimental and conceptual project. In this case, it is likely we will publish a white paper to thoroughly explain its technicalities and our vision to our community. So, while we have not traditionally adhered to the white paper practice, we are fully committed to transparency and knowledge sharing. And we will continue to provide comprehensive resources to support understanding and engagement with our network. Why should you be a part of the ICE Network? Often we're asked the question, why should you be a part of the ICE Network? So let me explain the value proposition we offer. ICE Network is the first company aiming to connect people globally under one application, forming a seamless bridge between users Web 2.0 and Web 3.0. So we aspire to be a one-stop shop, replacing up to 80% of the apps in your phone related to mass products and services. This unique vision can only be realized with your support, our esteemed users. Moreover, we're the only company intending to link our products and services to a coin that is directly linked to its users. So this offers you the opportunity to participate in something groundbreaking and to benefit from it. Consider this. Do you gain any direct benefit from being a user on Instagram? The clear answer is no. But imagine if you could earn coins by viewing ads on Instagram, and a part of Instagram's profits would be used to purchase these coins from the open market. This is just one example among the thousands of tech companies out there that profit from their users without giving much back. Now, ICE Network is here to change this landscape. We're here to redefine user engagement, and we invite you to join us in this journey of creating a more equitable and beneficial digital world. What are your benefits as an early adopter of ICE Network? Let's delve into the benefits of becoming an early adopter of ICE Network. As an early adopter, you receive the highest mining rewards. And as the network grows, mining rewards are proportionally reduced. This means getting in early can provide significantly higher returns. Moreover, you have the opportunity to build your own teams. You can invite your friends and family and promote ICE Network with your personal referral link. For each person you refer who becomes an active user, you earn additional ICE coins. So, to better illustrate this, let's revisit the story of Bitcoin. Early adopters of Bitcoin received the highest mining rewards. Jeremy Sturtevant, an early adopter, famously paid 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas in 2010, and this was the first commercial transaction involving Bitcoin. Back then, such a high number of Bitcoins seemed reasonable due to the high miner rewards in the early days of Bitcoin. Today, 13 years later, paying 10,000 Bitcoins for 2 pizzas would be outrageous and impossible due to the value increase. So being an early adopter in a network like the ICE Network could be a game changer. So don't miss out on the early adopter advantage. Why should you invite your friends to the ICE Network? Let's talk about why you should invite your friends to join the ICE Network. Firstly, it's absolutely free. Sharing about ICE Network and your experience with a friend won't cost you a penny. You'd be giving them an opportunity to be a part of something potentially life-changing at no cost. Secondly, when you invite a friend using your referral code, you're not just bringing them into our community, but also you're increasing your own mining rate. So that means you earn more ICE coins. Remember, as mentioned earlier, the early days of ICE Network offer the highest mining rewards. Inviting your friends not only helps them get in on the ground floor of an exciting venture, it also increases your rewards. So why wait? Invite your friends today and let them be a part of the ICE Network experience. Let's grow this revolution together. How to invite more people to ICE Network using your referral? Become a pro. Let's delve into the ways you can grow your ICE Network community. Firstly, share your story. Write about your journey with the ICE Network, the benefits you've discovered, and share these articles on your blog on platforms like Medium, Reddit, Quora, and more. Secondly, spread the word. Join online discussions and introduce ICE Network on your favorite forums. Talk about the future of currency, decentralized finance, and the power of building a micro-community with ICE. Are you a mobile app developer? Then integrate our easy-to-use library into your app. This way, your users can join your micro-community and start mining too. If you are a website owner, we've got you covered. Embed ICE Network directly onto your website with our simple and flexible JS banner. But remember, just like any other community, there are good and bad practices. So be authentic, be friendly, be creative, and share your personal experience, and always write as if you're speaking to a friend. So don't shy away from being innovative. However, avoid spamming and misleading people. The ICE project doesn't pay people cash. We reward them with ICE coins. Also, don't engage in fraudulent activities because transparency and honesty are our cornerstones. Inviting more people to the ICE Network is easy and rewarding, so let's grow together responsibly. Your success is our success. The essence of ICE Network is built on the premise that your success is our success. From the very inception, ICE Network has been driven by users. We initiated this journey with a different approach to most technology companies. We started from users to product, not the other way around. Our thrive is directly linked to the thrive of our network. This is a crucial understanding. It underpins the reasons we need your help and support. Our vision is not just for us to succeed, but for every user to benefit from that success. So remember, with ICE Network, your success is our success. A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Today, I've been talking about ICE Network, our vision, the potential, the extraordinary opportunity that it represents. But at core, ICE Network isn't about technology or coins. It's about you. It's about us as a community. It's about reshaping the world together. This is more than a chance to join a network. It's an invitation to be part of a global movement that empowers every single user. It's a rallying cry to embrace a bold vision for the future where you are not just a user, you are an integral part of the journey. If you've ever felt that you've missed out on previous revolutions, this is your moment to seize. This is your chance to be an early adopter in a rapidly expanding network. What we're doing at ICE Network is unique, transformative, and we want you to be a part of it. We are extending this invitation to you, not to just witness this revolution, but to shape it. So join the revolution, invite your friends, spread the word, be a part of the ICE Network, because this isn't just our story. It's your story too. It's our story, the story of ICE Network. Thank you, and welcome to the future. Now, let's dive into some frequently asked questions. What is phase one and how long does it last? Phase one is when we build the core user base for ICE Network and reward users with our network token for free. This phase is set to last for 15 months since our official launch on the 7th of July of 2023. Next question, what about phase two? Phase two represents the mainnet launch of the ICE Network. This is when we'll release our network coin and start the distribution of mining rewards. All the products and services that are launched until the release of phase two will be linked to our mainnet. Who is behind ICE Network? We are a team of 20 self-funded developers who have been working tirelessly on ICE Network. And considering the public exposure around Web3 and our personal safety, we have chosen a more discreet approach. Now, what is the total max supply of ICE Network coin? This is a really common question that derives from the classic Web3 paradigm. However, we are sure you've kind of understood from our presentation, ICE Network operates differently. The total supply of the ICE Network coin will depend on several dynamic factors, including the total number of users, the number of active users at a given time, slashing, mining, halvings, and more. So this has been it. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey towards the digital revolution.